Hi everybody, welcome to another render demo, how to draw a video tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to draw a pirate. So first off, we're going to start drawing the head area. So I'm going to start doing that up here at the top of the page. And then we're going to draw the hat, his cap. So we're going to draw a line across about halfway through this circular shape, and we're going to taper it from the left, and then we're going to go upwards towards the right. So I'm just going to kind of darken in the top part. And then we're going to create the ear section. So we're going to start on this left side here, and then we're going to come out a little bit, and then down, and then we'll do the same on the right. But this one's going to be a little bit lower, so you're going to see some of his head up here at the top, and then the ear is going to be a little bit down from that spot. And then we'll draw in the lower part of the head, kind of down where his cheek is. Okay, the next step, we'll put in the eyes. So we can draw two eyes on either side, and they're going to be spread quite a distance away, just like this. And then we can draw the eyebrows, kind of like these small rectangular shapes, kind of on an angle. And then for the eyeball on the inside, we'll do like some smaller circular shapes, kind of towards the center, like where the nose would be. And then here for the mouth, we'll taper this on an angle similar, see up here, as the hat, an angle towards the right. We'll kind of do like a slightly curved line, and then for the bottom lip, we'll do like a smaller half circle there. And then we'll do a half circle upwards for the nose. Okay, for the next step, we'll do the body shape. So we'll start with the left shoulder, and we'll create the shape kind of coming down from the eye. So here you can see we'll draw in the upper part of the body, right here. Okay, for this next part, we'll draw the belt down here. So we'll offset this bottom line just slightly. So that's the bottom of his shirt there where the belt is going to be. And then we're going to create the pants, like where the legs are. So we're going to start here in the center, and we're going to create it like an upside down V shape in the middle here. Okay, and then on the sides, we'll extend the sides down to kind of follow that V shape. So now we'll put in some details for the ears. And then up here where the cap is, we will place a skull design. So we'll draw a skull with some bones. And then on the right side of the cap, we'll put where the tie off is. So we'll draw this circular shape here. And then we'll create these two shapes that extend off of this circle, one up to the top and then another one down towards the right, like this. Okay, so next we'll add some details to the shirt. So we'll add these like stripe details to the sleeves. So we'll put like two bands, and we can add some color in later. And then the pirate has some gold treasure, so we'll do like this necklace shape right here in the stomach area. It's gonna be like a pouch of gold. So let's start with this kind of like this rope that's holding this pouch full of gold. So we'll do a line on the left and then another one here on the right. They kind of point towards the center but don't connect. And then we'll draw the pouch with this little circular shape in the middle here and then a larger one underneath. So here we'll do the smaller shape. And then we'll do the sack part with all the gold over here. So it's a little bit, it's going to be inside of the body shape, just like this. Let's get the boots drawn in. So we'll start down here on the left leg. We'll create this slightly curved shape. And if you need to extend the leg down, to connect, that's fine. And we'll do the same shape on the other side. We'll just extend that leg down a bit. Then we'll go back to the left boot. And you don't want these boots touching each other. So if their center line is here, just make sure that the boots don't come and touch each other. So they'll be split a little bit. So if we draw these two shapes here, we can kind of make sure that they don't touch and then go from there. And then we'll finish off the boot. Okay, now let's get this right arm here. So the right arm is going to just be hanging next to the body and almost kind of just limp there. It's just touching the leg. So we'll go about halfway up the leg and then we'll start on the outside here and we'll create this slight curve out towards the right and then back towards the left a little bit. And then we'll start bending here and then start the fingers. So we'll put a few bends, kind of longer and longer as it gets towards the leg. Just like that. And we'll create this little hook in for the thumb. Just like that. And then we'll do the left side, the left arm. So this one's going to be bent and kind of resting on his waist. So we're going to come with the arm outwards to the left, similar to the angle of the shoulder there. So we're going to kind of extend those lines over and try to keep the same width as the other arm on the other side that you drew. So we'll keep those there. I'm going to draw the elbow, kind of give me where my bend is going to happen. And then the arm's going to come down, and then the fingers are going to kind of point downwards. Okay, next we'll draw the belt buckle in the center. So I'm going to draw this rectangular shape right here. So we'll extend off of the belt band because the buckle is a little bit bigger. And then we'll draw a smaller one in the center. And then using my ink pen, I'm going to ink the rest of this drawing in. And then I'll grab my Sharpie and fill in a lot of the black bold areas like the boots and the cap. And then we'll use some flesh tone markers and color the pirate in. So hopefully you like this video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking that button down below, and we will see you